Hi witchy loves, pagan pretties, wizardly wonders, heathen hotties. Oh yes, I'm on a roll. Druid dorks. Damn it, I ruined it. Oh, druid deliciousnesses, and that is absolutely a word. It's not. So anyway, back on track. Hi. It's the most wonderful time of the month. The Witch's Bounty is here for July. I'm actually wearing my Witch's Bounty Aquamarine today. Lots of blue, lots of throat chakra. You know, Mercury being in retrograde, I was like, I best make sure that my words aren't all that messed up. And it's sort of helping, I think. But anyway, the Witch's Bounty is here. I'm very excited to see what is in this box of goodness. I get excited every time this box arrives, and let's do it. And there's always gorgeousness in here. So let's swap over camera and get to know what's in this Witch's Bounty booty for this month. Psych! I totally forgot that I was doing these like this now. I said I was going to switch cameras to go through the Witch's Bounty, but I'm doing it like this. I totally forgot that this was how I was presenting them this month, and like last month I did the same thing going forward. So oopsie, sorry about that. And again, if you can hear noises, my pooch in the background doing his thing. So he's currently chasing a balloon. And I'm very aware that having a dog near a balloon is not great, because if it pops, he's going to eat it. So if it pops, I'm going to run. It's just left over from my son's birthday. I will take it off him though. He was barking at it before. It was pretty funny. So this is the Witch's Bounty. I'm a responsible pet owner. This is now like, I've had many, many, many dogs, and they've all lived very happy lives. Oh, one of my favorite crystals. We're doing Angel Aura Quartz. Oh yes, also known as Opal Aura Quartz. Angel Aura is a stone of expansion, connecting us to the divine and collective consciousness. As an abundant earthly mineral, quartz is the ultimate amplifier of subtle energies. This stone activates light body brilliantly, opening the gates of awareness, encouraging the integration of higher self and attuning to one's spiritual purpose. I didn't read all of it. He's now got his bone. These are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I've got the piece of paper. I'm gonna leave that for now while I explore. So we get the little cord. I usually put, like you can see from my the aquamarine that I'm wearing, I put them on chains. But it is great to have these so you have something to put them on. I'm going to open up everything else but the piece de resistance at the end. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I did this. Okay, so this is a point, an angel or a point that we have. Ooh, whoa, I can't, it's always backwards. Okay, and what do we have? What does it say about angel or a point? To accompany you on your path, we have included a beautiful angel or a crystal. Keep this with you throughout your day, or place it amongst your altar to charge the surrounding items with its divine energy. I mean, this is like the unicorn stone, right? It's so pretty and rainbowy. It's like, I could look at this all day. It's one of my absolute favorites. I have a blue piece, quite a big blue piece. This is going to go on to many of my altars. Again, I apologize for my dog, but he's just doing his thing and eating his bone. I might move him in a second, but right now I am in the thing. So this is called the Open Gate this month. That's what this box is called. So among the many thoughts and emotions that flow through us each day, there are a few that tend to open us to a more spiritual and transformative space. These moments are what can change the direction of our lives. As we continue to work towards a more aware and expansive existence, we rely upon our abilities to connect spiritual and celestial energies. We have carefully chosen and curated the items within this collection to help assist you find moments to bring you to the open gate. Oh, I love it. So we have a mini white intention setting spell candle. So that's the candle for this month. And they're always those beautiful beeswax rolled ones. So great to have my apothecary so full of magical items. Oh, and it's got like a pink, I'm not sure you can see it. Oh my gosh, my dog. See the glitter? Swear, this Mercury retrograde is just absolutely effing with me. I'm going to pause this and go stop my dog. I have relocated my pooch. I didn't stop him from eating he's got like those Himalayan bones. I didn't stop him. He's sitting right next to me on another chair. Smoochies. Continuing to eating his chew toy. The thing is that with my breed of dog, and I'm totally digressing, but you know, this is my life. He's a Velcro dog. I work from home, so he's used to being around me, and he likes people. So he doesn't like being away from people if we're hanging out. So he was on the wooden floorboards behind me, banging this bone on the floor. So I just moved him next to me so he can continue being happy, and I can continue videotaping without all of the noise. So you may still hear him a little bit. So this is as I was saying, a mini intention setting spell candle. So it's been rolled with the intention of bringing clarity and vitality to your sacred space and practice. Love it. Okay, and then we have expansion. I'm glad that they have this written down because I can't always read the writing. It's so pretty. Oh, that's so... What am I smelling in here? Oh, it's the rosemary. Oh, and it's something else in there is the mugwort as well. Like that's a very specific smell. That's gorgeous. It says it's expansion anointing oil. So the expansion anointing oil has been created with the intention of expanding your spiritual and emotional awareness. The oils and herbs are mixed to formulate a pure and purposeful energy. And I'm not going to give away the ingredients because it's not cool, but I mentioned the rosemary and the mugwort. This would be so good for readings. The reason being that rosemary is very protective, and there are other items in here that are also protective. And mugwort is great for opening up psychic senses, and this is a higher frequency stone. So all of this, along with that clarity, the clarity candle, I feel will be really, really good for working with tarot cards. I'm going to be using this during my tarot readings. Okay, and there's also like the use of it just to make sure that they're very good about saying like use a small amount, and there's a little Lemurian crystal in here too. Oh, it's so lovely. So that's the anointing oil, and anointing oils can be used for candles, for crystals, putting them on your wrists and on your temples. I try not to put them on my third eye, even though you can. My third eye is pretty active, bloody understatement, is very active. So I don't need anything else. If I put anything on my third eye chakra, like oils, it tends to break out very, very badly. And I already get like a lot of build up there anyway. Like I have to use a lot of my masks and stuff because of the amount of work that I do with that chakra. I had to clear it out quite a bit. So, but you can put them there. You can, candles, all sorts of stuff. But you always have to test your sensitivity. And this is, forest mist ritual incense. And enhance it to any sacred art. Oh my gosh, so good. I love incense. So that's the incense, which always smells beautiful. And we have the artwork by A. Alden, which is always a stunner. I'm just doing that because it's quite that beautiful, protective. And then, oh my gosh. Oh, wow. It's so beautiful. Move over. I've been wearing the Moonstone and the Aquamarine one a lot, but this one might be my favorite. Look at that. So we have, it's an Angel Aura Quartz with pink tourmaline. Wow, fucking wee. This beautiful Angel Aura Quartz with pink tourmaline has been customly created for this very collection. Also known as an Opal Aura. Platinum and silver coating. And then we've got this, they always have these beautiful designs in the back. Hopefully you can see that. But look how chunky that is. It's like a really good size. And it is just, oh my God, that is amazing. Holy crap. The affirmation for this is, I walk with an open channel of communication with my higher self, aided by the spiritual and celestial energies, intelligence, elemental correspondence, wind, chakras, 7th and 8th. And I do a lot of work with those chakras. And the tourmaline is a really lovely color to like protect, a really lovely gemstone to protect your energy, which is perfect for people who do this sort of work. Holy crap a duck. I love it. It's so beautiful. One of my favorites boxes of all time from the Witch's Bounty. I've got, like, this one is a stunner. It's one of my favorites. The Moonstone comes out and I wear it a lot. The Rose Quartz I wear a lot. But that one, that just blew my knickers off. Well, not literally because I'm sitting down, but holy crap, that is stunning. I'm going to put a link below, as I can't stop looking at it, a link below as to where you can find the Witch's Moon and the Witch's Bounty if you want to subscribe to this offering. They also have a beautiful marketplace and you can just get old boxes, like one-offs and things like that. And as always, thank you so much for watching. But I'm looking forward to, I'm going to charge that on my altar and start wearing it like straight away. Absolutely stunning. Thank you so much to the Witch's Bounty for sending me the box this month, and I will see you all again soon.